Good morning, gardeners, farmers, YouTubers, Facebookers. I thought I'd give an update on Tommy the tomato plant. Yes, this is Farmer June, and look at how Tommy has perked up. Remember, what was it, 7 days ago? He was sagging over and I was pleading for help for him. Well, I did get some comments. People did send me some information, and look at how Tommy's leaves have opened up and stuff. He's coming back alive. He's not sagging over. He's starting to stand straight up. Isn't it wonderful? I thought I'd just give you an update on my garden. In the meantime, let me just show you the green peppers that are coming out. And on this branch, the red cabbage is starting to form. And look at this huge daddy of a cucumber in here. Oh, look at how big he is. I gotta pull him out. He's gonna stop the growth from all the other ones. That one and this one hanging here, I gotta take them down because they're turning yellow now. They were green. And I tell you, my tomato plants are flourishing. Tomato plants flourishing. Look at this, tomatoes all in there. Look at them. Oh my goodness, look at all the ones in here. I'm sorry, I know it's a lot, but these leaves I'm trying to show you. Green peppers, little ones coming here. They're still in the box. Look at these right here in the box. I don't know what's happening with these Brussels sprouts. Maybe they're growing underneath. And here's some more green peppers in here. Ooh, my garden's going. And there's the tomato plants, some more tomato plants, cucumbers. They're starting to go all up the fence, like I said. It's wonderful. And then we just have these over here. They're starting to try to do something, but nothing yet. And my mint is growing like crazy. Look at the rosebush came back. I told y'all I've been trying to get rid of this rosebush. It does not die. I ain't mad. He's a survivor. More tomatoes over here. More tomatoes. And the mint. All right. That's a look of my garden for now. Farmer June signing off. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Farmer June has come back out. I think it's time for me to cut out these two big giant cucumbers. So hold on and we'll do it right now. There are the two cucumbers. Are they huge? I put the gardening shears next to it so you can see. You always need a pair of those in your garden. So do not forget. I've had those for years and that's what helped me tear down my rosebush. They're wonderful. Nice and strong. See, there you go. But look how huge these first two cucumbers are. Oh my goodness. Look at that. They're starting to turn yellow because I had them hanging there, I guess, too long. I didn't realize they were already ready. So my first two cucumbers. Farmer June is very pleased. This has been Garden Talk from the Hood. Signing out. Have a wonderful day.